Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. The box itself measures just under 11 inches by 9, 4 inches deep, and as you can see it's quite deep. It has a lovely ribbon tie. The kit itself comes with slits for you to add your ribbons, and it's also got a magnetic closure. So the kit itself for the structure comes flat packed, so it's MDF. It won't bow or bend like chipboard projects do over time, and it's constructed with our black signature construction tape. And then let me show you what's inside. So I've got a nice 1-inch ribbon tie here, and I've used a signature sheet of paper on the cover of the box, and it works perfectly across the surface with the gorgeous flowers and butterflies. I love the colours. We've got a new colour in here as well, Wineberry. It's just, ooh, I love it. And then the box opens. You can see I've gone mad with the Wineberry from the Patterns and Solids on the inside of the box. And then the centre of the box is actually a structured box that sits inside that cover. And then the album is actually held in with a ribbon. So let's lift the album out. So the box itself could just be used as a gift box, Christmas box, christening box. It's got all sorts of other uses, and then you've got the album covers as well. So let's just close that up. I put one of the ephemera cards in the bottom there just to add a little bit of detail and to hold the ribbon in place. So the box folds up and it's got the magnetic closure on there as well, so you don't have to add ribbons if you don't want to. And then here's the album. So I've used the portrait dimension for the album, but you do get a spine to make a landscape style album as well in the kit. And then once it's put together, it gives you a really nice deep album. I've added 6 pages in here on an extended spine, all decorated in this beautiful paper from the Bloom collection. We've got a sticker on here and an acetate insert, and then the paper carries on the back with a little sticker on the centre there. So for the front I've used the signature sheet, the Wineberry paper, an ephemera card. We've got some stickers and then just little offcuts just to ground that centre picture. And then opening up, I've used my button and thread closures all the way through just as an alternative to magnets, and also it allows you to put more inside the pages and still close them up. So I've used this gorgeous stamp paper here. Let's just work out which way it's going to go. This is the longest thread, and I've just used embroidery thread on here, or embroidery floss. So I've got a nice lift up top centre, and this album really is all about your photos. And then we've got an acetate pocket here that just lifts up and you can slide your pictures in, and then it just sits there and then it folds up again. I love that combination of the Wineberry and the greens and the stamps, and then it folds out and open, so lots and lots of space in this album for you to do montages of your favourite photos. And then all the way through I normally pick a theme, so my theme is the Wineberry paper, and that threads all the way through the book. So the first page we've got a nice little half page, button and thread closure, lift up top, little pocket here, fold down bottom, and then 2 nice surfaces to add your pictures and a waterfall inside, all decorated with a combination of the Patterns and Solids, the 8x8 and 12x12, and this was the bit that was left over from the front cover. Let's do it upright. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the PDF comes with instructions on how to decorate the album in this particular paper collection, and the kit for the box on the album cover comes with a full assembly guide, and it gives you all the dimensions you need to make the basic black album without decorating it in any particular paper collection. So on the back here we've got a really nice little pocket, little ephemera card and sticker, and again you can see the wineberry paper running through. And this is just an acetate pocket that you can slide your pictures under. And if I open the button and thread, we've got a little waterfall here on this. I love, it's violets, clematis I think probably, or clematis. I love those colours together, beautiful. Oh no, that's a cutout, little cutout from the paper there, and then two nice photo-sized photo mats with little pockets. Let's just grab an ephemera card here. So there are tuck spots under the pages to add pictures in if you don't want to stick them on the surface. And then it opens up and there are two full-sized photo mats there as well, and that centre section for you to add your pictures. And with the extended spine, the pages sit flatter than they would as you work through your album. And then this side I've gone with the blues and the pinks and the gorgeous floral paper, mixing patterns and solids again with, oh no, I was thinking there was a tuck spot there but not on this one. So again, nice surface area for you to do your layout pictures. And then we've got a sticker at the bottom on that band, and then the coordinating page opens sideways. Again, we've got the paper running through with the florals on, and on the right hand side as well. And I think here there is a little tuck spot to add something, and there as well. And then it opens up and there are two fold out photo areas as well. Let's do a slide down so you can see. So two at the top that fold over and in, and two at the bottom that fold up and over, and then they sit in that page which does up with a little button and thread. And then flipping over, I've gone pink and the wineberry and the green, and I love the way we all see something different in these collections. And I love, we've just made this at my craft retreat, I love how we all see and put the papers together in a different way. So many combinations in this collection. It really is a beautiful one to craft with. So here we've got an acetate pocket with a double photo mat that pulls out. I've left it plain on the back. I've used an ephemera card in the middle of the pocket. We've got the beautiful green florals on both pages and the wineberry at the bottom. And that just slides back in there and is just held in place with the little thread. And then on this side opens up, we've got the ephemera card there, but it could be your photo, and then a little tuck spot at the top. The top flap lifts up. Have we got a tuck spot underneath? Let's have a look. Yeah, little tuck spot underneath there as well. Nice area for your pictures. The bottom folds down, and again, same structure as the top flap. So tuck spot here, not one on the front, just on the back. And then two side flaps that fold out, so they're double side flaps, and these ones have got little pockets in to tuck something under as well. So again, a lovely spread to collage your pictures on. And then flipping over on that page, we've got, this is the 8x8 bloom and the ephemera card and the wineberry, and then just a double photo mat there that folds up. And coordinating on the other side, we've got another acetate pocket that you can just slide your pictures under, and then that opens up a lovely waterfall with this cutout from the 12 by 12 paper, a little border there, beautiful blue floral on the back, and then the pink and blue photo mats that fold out on that side. And again, there's tuck spots on the front of those so that you can pop whatever you want to underneath. I love that page. It's really fresh, really summery, beautiful collection. Fabulous for a garden party or a birthday party, tea party, anniversary event. So many uses. So on this side we've got a nice little ephemera card creating a pocket on the front, and then just two little fold out flaps coordinated with, we've got the 12 by 12 paper here, the 8 by 8 in the centre, a little sticker and the wineberry, and you can see how lovely it looks when you look through the album backwards to have that colour running at the bottom of the page. And then there are two tuck spots there as well to add more to the page if you want to. Let's do that one up. And then right at the back we've got the last of the half pages. So I've coordinated the small ephemera card here. There's some lovely quotes as well. Bloom where you're planted, gardens feed the soul. I think that's very true. Lovely clematis paper. I think that's my favourite. A nice long fold up top flap, a little pocket here on the bottom flap to pop bits and pieces in. That one folds down, and then the side flaps fold out to reveal another waterfall in the centre. And then it all folds up. So we've got the 8 by 8 in the centre here, 12 by 12 at the top, and the whole sort of size thing really coordinates well. I love being able to use the two sizes in my projects, and if you follow me you'll know that. And then right at the back we have got another little pocket just with an ephemera card and a little pocket on the front there. Well, that one's not actually stuck on, it should be, but there would be. Pocket behind, pocket at the front, the wineberry paper running across the bottom, and I've used some paper clips, some black paper clips for my clips in the book. I think there were a few more when we started, but there's just one left. And added my doodads to the top of the paper clip, and they just make a perfect accent on the project. And then you can use any shape that you've got just to stick on either side of the paper clip. And they're 50mm long. You can't use the short ones, they're not long enough, but the 50mm, you can create some fabulous coordinated clips for your projects. And then we get right to the very back, our last page, with the long thread. Lovely lift up top. We've got the stamps running across the top here. Another acetate pocket that you can pop things under that also folds up. Nice area here for pictures, and then folds down, and there is a tuck spot in that one to add more. So a really roomy album. You could use it to create a memory from one event or lots of different events on each page. And then we've got to the back. So I hope you've enjoyed that walkthrough. It's the Bloom large event album and case. The PDF tells you how to decorate the finished album, and we've got the basic kit, the MDF kit, and the bundle. And I'll put the links to all of those below in the description below the video. So thanks ever such a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.